We're back. And for our meeting number 13, still applications of first order DE. Third application is mixture problem. A very useful application of first order DE solution is in the determination of the amount of solute as a function of time for a problem involving the mixing of the two different solutions. So aside from law of growth and decay and Newton's law of cooling, so the third is mixture problem. So it is very useful in first order DE. We consider a tank containing a solution, a mixture of solute and solvent. So here meron tayong tank at magdodrawing tayo ng tank for mixture of solute and solvent. Such as salt dissolved in water. So yun yung tawag sa solvent na let's say salt or sugar na dinidissolve sa tubig. For this type of a problem, a brine solution mixed with fresh water or another brine solution of a different concentration. To determine the concentration of the mixture with respect to the time that has been elapsed. So the concentration of the brine solution in the tank is uniform all over. So habang hinahalo, no? Habang nilalagay, naghahalo, ibig sabihin, uniform yung mixture. Walang chemical reaction. So let M be the amount or mass of salt inside the tank at any time T, and then T is the time. C sub I is the concentration of inflow. C sub O is the concentration of outflow. B sub I is the volumetric flow rate of solution into the tank. And the B sub O is the volumetric flow rate of solution out of the tank. So pag B sub I, volume inflow, B sub O, volume outflow. So hence, dm all over dt, so that is equal to, so ibig sabihin nito, the derivative of mass with respect to time is the amount of solute flows in minus the amount of solute flows out. So dm over dt is CIVI minus COVO. So for example number 1, a tank contains a homogeneous solution of 10 kg of salt and 2,000 liters of water. Stop muna tayo doon. So, mas maka-better guys, or kailangan na magdodrawing tayo ng tangke talaga. Okay? So, let's say ito yung tank. Ang mass ay 10 kg of salt. Ang volume niya ay 2,000 liters. So, yun. Ang per sentence. A brine solution containing 0.5 kg of salt per liters enters at 7 liters per minute. So, may pumapasok guys. No? So this is the volume inflow is 7 liters per minute. At ano ang C sub I concentration? 0.5 kilogram. And then kung may pumapasok, dapat may lumalabas. Kasi kung walang lalabas yan, ano mangyayari? Mapupuno yung tank. So let's read. Continue. The uniform solution leaves the tank at the same rate. So, ibig sabihin, ang B sub O ay same. No? Sulat na lang natin dito. That is 7 liters per minute. Bakit same? Kasi, kung halimbawang ito kakaunti, the time will come, mapupuno, tatapon yung tank. Kung ito naman ay mas marami, the time will come, mag-empty yung tank. Kaya kung ano yung in, dapat mas be equal to out. And then, what is C sub O? So, C sub O is mass ng salt over 2,000, which is hindi natin alam at hindi rin naman binanggit. Kaya, pagpalagay natin na mass ng salt over 2,000 yung kanyang inflow. So, when will the tank contains 50 kilograms of salt? So, ang required dito is when time. If M is equal to 50 kilogram. So, kung initially may 10 doon at may pumapasok na 0.5 kilogram na salt, so the time will come, magiging 50 kilogram ito, no? At ang tinatanong ay kailan yan. So, from our working formula, dm all over dt is equal to CIVI minus COVO. Yan yung nakalagay dito. Okay. So, dm all over dt is equal to, what is CI? 0.5, B sub I, 7, minus C sub O, M over 2,000, and then B sub O is 7. So, perform muna natin. dm all over dt is 7 times 0.5 is 3.5 minus. So, 7 divided by 2,000. 7 divided by 2,000 is 3.5 times 10 raised to negative 3 or 0.0035 of m. So, guys, this is now variable separable. So, dm or 3.5 dm, tama. All over 3.5 times minus 0.0035 m is equal to dt. Diba? And then I will now integrate. So we have negative 1 all over 0.0035. Saan galing yon? Pag in-integrate natin, ito yung our u, ang derivative nito ay ito. And then, pag nag-integrate tayo, sa ilalim yon, di ba? So, alam na yan. And then, ln of 3.5 minus 0.0035m is equal to t and then plus c. So, bakit siya hindi ln? May lumabas tayo ln dito. Yun sa mixture problem. So, kung lahat ay ln to, pero kung hindi ln at with respect to time, yan lang yung naka-ln. So, let's say if t is equal to 0, ang mass niya is 10 kg. Dahil initially, di ba? So, time is equal to 0, the mass is 10 kg. So, substitute negative 1 all over 0.0035 and then ln of 3.5 and then minus 0.0035 times 10 and then is equal to 0 plus c. So, solving for c, guys, calculate na lang natin. So, this is 0.035. So, I have now 3.5 minus 0.035 equals, ln muna natin. Ang 3.5 minus 0.035 equals, so 1.2427, i-times natin sa negative 1, and then divide by 0.0035. So, I have a C of negative 355.061. So, yan ang aking C. Hindi yan ang sagot, guys. C pa lang yan. Saan natin gagamitin yan? So, if, so parang particular solution to, di ba? Solving for the C first. If the mass is equal to 50 kg, so solve for T now. How? From here, negative 1 all over 0.0035 and then ln, so this is multiplier, 3.5 minus 0.0035, this is now 50, and then our t is unknown, plus our c is negative 355.061 na nasolve natin kanina. So, i-perform muna natin ito, no? So, this is 50 times 0.0035 is 0.175. So, ln of 3.5 minus 0.175 equals, and then i-times natin sa negative 1 divide by 0.0035 will give us negative 343.277 for this value. So, magiging plus 355.061 because this is negative transposed to the left becomes positive and that is equal to t. And the t now is equal to plus 355.061 is 11.784. The unit is minutes. So, that is the time na mangyayari na yung concentration ng nasa loob ay 50 kg. So, kung hindi mo yan pipigilan at patuloy yan, no, yung concentration ng asin dyan sa loob ay madadagdagan pa ng madadagdagan. Because of this pumapasok. And then yung outflow na concentration ay M over 2,000. So that is for example number 1. Example number 2 for mixture problems. Let's read. A mixing plant has a mixing tank filled with 100 gallons of brine containing 1 pound of salt per gallon of solution. So doon pa lang, mag-drawing na tayo ng figure natin. So mas makakatulong or masosolve ito kung mayroong figure. So hindi masosolve ito ng walang figure, ha? So let's say ito yung tank natin. So ano mga given na una? Okay, merong inflow. And then merong outflow. Okay? So ano yung unang binigay? So volume is 100 gallons. And brine containing 1 pound of salt per gallon. So mass yun, ano? 1 pound per gallon. Okay. Brine from another pricing area containing 2 pounds of salt per gallon is piped into the tank at the rate of 5 gallons per minute. So we have the V sub I. The volume inflow is 5 gallons per minute. And the concentration inflow is 2 pounds of salt per gallon. 2 pounds per gallon. Yan. And then, for the outflow, okay, so dapat same din. Let's read. The mixture is kept uniform by constant stirring and flows out of the tank at the same rate. So, yun na nga. So, B sub O is 5 gallons per minute. And then C sub O is mass all over 100. Okay. For the volume. Laging ganon. So, from our working equation that the dm all over dt is equal to C sub I, B sub I all over C sub O, B sub O. Yan ang ating form. Okay? So, dm all over dt is equal to C sub I is 2, B sub I, 5, minus C sub O, M over 100, B sub O, ilan? 5. Okay? So, ulitin natin. C sub I, B sub I, minus C sub O, M over 100, and then 5. B sub O. So, dm all over dt is equal to 10 minus, what is 5 over 100? 0.05? So, double check natin. 0.05 of m. So, this is variable separable. dm over 10 minus 0.05 of m is equal to dt, and then I will integrate both sides. So we have an answer of 1 all over negative 0.05 for the neutralizing factor of this, and then multiply by ln of 10 minus 0.05 of m is equal to t plus c. So, ito yung panggagalingan natin lahat ng equation. Now, if time is equal to 0, ito yun, di ba? Initially. What is m? So, ilalagay mo is 1. Okay, pag yan nilagay mo, mali. Bakit? 1 pounds per gallon, ilang gallons ba yan? 100. So, therefore, 100 pounds ang laman yan. So, nandun yung trick doon, ano? Okay, then substitute natin. We have, what is 1 over negative 0.05? Sige. 1 over 0.05 is 20. So, negative 20 ln of 10 minus 0.05 times 100. Okay? So, we have equals to 0 plus C. So, C equals, ayan. So, saan ba? Ano ba galing to? Ito, 10 minus. Nawala yung minus. Okay. So, what is 0.05 times 100? Is 5. Okay. So, 10 minus 5 is 5. So, meaning, ln of 5 times negative 20 is negative 32.189. Yan ang ating C. Okay? Now, ano yung tanong? Ayan. How much salt? So, letter A, M ang tinatanong, is in the tank after 10 minutes if T is equal to 10 minutes. So, we have negative 20, then ln, 10, okay? Or, ganito gawin natin. 1 all over negative 0.05 sa original equation, ha? And then ln of 10 minus 0.05 of m. Yan. Okay. Is equal to 10 plus C. Yan. Okay. So, sige, negative 20. So, negative 20. Paano natin masosolve yan? Yung M. So, negative 20 ln of 0.05 of M. So, solve for M. Ano? Pause ko muna. Going back. So, ln of 10 minus 0.05 of M is equal to, so 10 plus what is C? Negative 32.189 all over negative 20. So, ln of 10 minus 0.05 of M equals, okay, pwede natin i-perform ito, no? So, we have 10 minus 32.189 equals, ito bakit minus? Dinala sa ilalim, di ba? Kaya divide by negative 20. So, that is 1.10945. And then, E natin, E, so matitira dyan is 10 minus 0.05 of M is equal to E, then 1.10945. And, negative 0.05 M is equal to E, 1.10945 minus 10. Okay? And therefore, dito ko na ituloy para meron tayo sa letter B. M is equal to E, 1.10945 minus 10 all over negative 0.05. So, M equals, ayan, pwede na yan. So, shift E, 1.10945 equals minus 10 equals divide negative 0.05 equals 139.346 ano unit? Mass is pounds. Okay, dapat kompleto, no? 139.346 pounds. Okay? 139.346 pounds. For letter A, nakalagay, babox. Letter B. Ano yung tinatanong sa letter B? Okay, tingin. How long? So, T yun. T. T ang tinatanong. How long will it take for the salt content to reach M is equal to 150. So, saan ang working formula natin? Dito, no? Okay? So, negative 20. Dito yan. Dito, working formula natin. Yung 1 over negative 0.05 is negative 20 equals ln of 10 minus 0.05 of 150 and then equals to t plus our c is negative 32.189. So, perform natin ito. 0.05 times 150 is 7.5. So, 10 minus 7.5 is 2.5. So, ln of 2.5 equals times negative 20 equals negative 18.326 and then plus 32.189 is equal to t. And therefore, t is equal to, so plus 32.189 equals 13.863. Ano unit ng time? Of course, that is minutes. So, check natin kung tama tayo. Tama. So, box for letter B. Naka-indicate, ha? Yan. So, yan yung ating example regarding on mixture problem. Okay?